You took everything from me.
I don't even know who you are.
You will.
Hello there. Welcome back to Arespedia channel. At this time, I'm gonna review about another Manipple Studios product. It's Scarlet Witch, aka Wanda Maximoff. But before I start it, I am asking you to subscribe this channel. And here we go. This package contains one head sculpt and torso. This head sculpt looks similar if we compare it with Hot Toys 1/6 scale. So totally perfect. If we see around it, this hair look like a Barbie. We need to be extra carefully to take care of it, and maybe you need a comb to maintain it. The hair tone color is not so bad, it close to Elizabeth Olsen hair color style. And now let's check the torso out. As you can see around it, this torso has a good detail and color. Also the cleavage as well. Now we step back again to the head sculpt, so you can see it a little bit more closer. And once again, you need an extra duty to maintain the hair. Now we will compare it with the original head sculpt from Figuarts. And actually, the original head sculpt is good enough though. This Manipple product hair tone is darker than the original one, and the face look rather wide. Now we compare the torso. Even though it more detail, the Manipple torso has a lighter color than the original one, as you can see. Watch it once again. We need to dismantle some parts, the head sculpt, both arms, and the original torso, and for sure, the jacket as well. This is the hardest part. You need to be gently to remove the jacket, otherwise you will cause it damage. Use a tool if it necessary. Now let's start to set up and assemble it. I think it's easier than the previous duty. Just plug it and play. And, finally, this beautiful creature has been set. You can see Wanda Maximoff aka the Scarlet Witch a new look upgraded, with the Manipple Studios product. As you can see the difference of this stone color. This Manipple torso has a lighter color, but it still look okay. Not much look to contrast. You can see the difference with the original one. This hairstyle will look much better if the Manipple Studio issue the crown. She will look prettier, I guess. So what do you think? Please write down your comment on the space below. And the last thing, You can see her in action. She almost defeated Thanos.
Rain fire!
And the last but not least, this is the overall look of Scarlet Witch with the upgraded. I'll see you again next time with other review of action figure product. Have a good one, guys.